Steam the broccoli. A simple guide to cooking phrases in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase used in cooking, steam the broccoli. This phrase is not only about cooking but also a great example of how English speakers use verbs and nouns together. Let's dive in and learn about this phrase, its meaning, and how to use it in everyday English. Steam the broccoli is a simple phrase that combines a cooking method, steam, with a vegetable, broccoli. Steaming involves cooking food with steam, which is water in its gas form. When we say, steam the broccoli, we mean to cook the broccoli using steam. This phrase is a straightforward command or instruction often found in recipes or cooking contexts. In this section, let's break down the phrase, steam. This is a verb that means to cook using steam. It's a common cooking technique that is healthy and quick. This is a definite article used in English to specify a particular item or thing. Broccoli. A green vegetable with a tree-like structure. It's known for being nutritious and is commonly found in various cuisines. When put together, steam the broccoli is a clear, concise instruction. Now, let's see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. 1. In recipes, first, steam the broccoli for 5 minutes. 2. In cooking shows, now, we will steam the broccoli, which retains its nutrients. 3. In daily conversation, what are you doing for dinner? I'm just going to steam the broccoli and make some rice. Understanding this phrase helps in both cooking and improving your English language skills. It's interesting to note that phrases like, steam the broccoli, reflect cultural aspects of cooking and eating habits. In English-speaking countries, steaming is a popular method for cooking vegetables. This phrase is an example of how language and culture are interconnected. Thank you for watching. Today, we learned about the phrase, steam the broccoli, what it means, how it's used, and its place in English cooking phrases. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to learn English. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.